This is a story of a small island cradled by the Atlantic, South Caicos. Once a guardian of the salt trade, its shores have long carried the footsteps of fishermen and sailors alike. A place shaped by tide, time, and quiet peace. But for me, it's simply home. The ocean has always been our compass, feeding our families, holding our stories, calling travelers to witness its calm and its power. But even the ocean, vast and powerful as it is, can be wounded. The reef, our underwater heart, has suffered. I have watched them pale, watched life retreat, and we cannot stand alone. Together with Salterra Resort and incredible partners like the Luxury Collection, School for Field Studies, the TCI Reef Fund, and the Reef Institute, we are working to raise awareness and restore the reefs that sustain us all. Through the South Caicos Coral Reefs Consortium, we rescue dozens of corals, building a nursery where life is thriving, even in the face of rising temperatures. This is not just a project, it is a promise. A promise to the sea that raised us, to the reefs and the mangroves that shelter us, to the next generation who will inherit this blue world. This is the story of South Caicos, but more than that, this is the story of those who love it.